Hey there, I'm John Gibbons. Welcome to Blown Out of Proportion. We have a very special guest here today, Carly Slade. She's a ceramic artist from Canada, and she's currently teaching ceramics as a professor here in Humboldt. Carly, why don't you tell us a little bit about your ceramics?
Hey, thanks, John. I make mixed media dioramas based in ceramics about the precariousness of the working class. I myself worked in trades on and off for 10 years, so I make a lot of trucks and trains and buildings, dumpsters, fire hydrants.
I was looking at your work, and I put in, does Trump Loy?
Yeah.
Say Trump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's like Trump de Oy, it's French.
Right. My friend did that with some glass back in college. But yeah, I saw your work, and I thought, like, wait, why are people just putting, mail in a cart? And I was like, oh, it's so good. So you did a great job.
Oh, thank you.
Pulling off the trickery.
Yeah, lately I've been pretty obsessed with the USPS system and those white American mail totes you guys have.
Yeah.
Might have a couple of those.
My secret have got it.
Don't tell the guy.
We won't. We're going to be making glass for your first time. How do you feel about today?
Excited, scared, nervous, sweating already.
Right on.
I don't do heat well.
When you do ceramics though, so like you're in the same environment kind of.
See, but I like touch it. But
Yes.
you have something
You
in
can
between.
touch it, right.
Yeah, are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Can I try?
You can.
I did sign a waiver.
You did. Okay, cool. Well, without further ado, let's get started.
I don't think I get used to spinning my hands all the time.
I know, right? Like,
Yeah.
I remember there were students when I first started, like joysticks and just
Whoa, yeah. It's like a whole skill on its own.
yeah. If I don't blow glass for like 2 weeks, then you just get so clumsy.
Really?
Oh yeah, you just quit. All right, bring that out. Let's see if it's hot. Oh, okay.
Okay, get ready to blow on.
Oh, I blow it.
Yeah, go ahead, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Blow it. Yeah. All right, just rotate it. Okay, come on, let it. You go like cool. Cool.
What if you go and it's too hot?
When it starts flopping, it's hard to control.
Did you know all that just from looking at the whole bunch?
Yeah, like I could do it because, like, I've done see how it lost a little color.
Yeah.
That's kind of how it goes. So, keep it turning. Just give it a little.
Just keep slapping it in there? What am I doing?
You're very great. Just slap it in there. Okay, now take it over the yoke and put it in the blowing bit. Okay. Okay, bring it out real slow. Keep it turning. Take it to the bench. Hang it just slightly. Just a little bit. Okay, you go ahead and take a seat. Okay. Rotate it. Now let's put it in the block. Take that thing. Just roll it in there.
So much better. Support.
Once you throw it back on the heat,
So stressful.
hold on.
I got
A little
this.
slower, turn real slow. Then you can see like, oh, it's not moving. It's moving.
Oh, she's moving.
Okay, pull it on out and hang it just a little bit, like 45.
I don't understand what hanging it means.
Okay, you go ahead, get in there again.
Oh, here we go.
You gotta get on that net. You wanna make sure it's off the flat. Yeah, there you go. A little farther down. Hold that right there. Okay.
How much am I squeezing?
That's probably good. Let's get some more going. Yeah, so you've initiated the neckline, and now we're going to stretch it a little more.
So the bottom of the bubble will be the bottom of the cup, like
Yeah.
the tip.
Yeah, you kind of making it backwards.
It's kind of awesome ceramics.
Right. Okay. I want you to give it a. Hang on a second. Take that. Take that.
That's seeing the bottom. Okay, stop. There you go.
I'm making the sound that I've heard it blown away or blown up or blown whatever. You're like,
Okay, this thing's looking good. Here, why don't you rotate it and get on that neck line? Put those guys down in, and then you'll take this graphite pad. So you want to just, hang on, just like right there. So you just want that to build up on the bottom. So graphite pad, put it on the bottom while you rotate.
just delicately.
Charge. Let's see.
Yeah, I think I'm being gentle.
It's just, so then you want to give it a little concave, you know what I'm saying?
How do you do that? Like just with the corner?
Yeah, you just shove the corner in there. So I think I'll get the cleansing rod.
Well, how are we doing with that?
What's that?
What are we doing with
It's
that?
gonna hang out right here. I'll be plugged in.
Yeah, spin it though, right?
Yeah, keep it turning.
Always spin it.
Always spin it. Yeah. Okay, hold it. Alright, then I go. Oh, you're okay. Alright, let me take that thing. There you go. You rotate right there with just the tip. Right. Yeah, keep it turning. Let me get a little more heat.
Yeah.
And then, same move that you're doing there.
I think I'm making a tulip.
Could be. It's just like, I was always kind of against flowers, making that
Yeah.
stuff, but lately,
Is that an excuse you can use?
what's that?
Like making a tulip, like in ceramics, brand new throwers, I'm always like, you made a donut! Good job! That's what we wanted!
Right.
So maybe tulip is glasses donut?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah. When I get both legs, pull it out. It's pretty good right there.
What am I doing?
I think you did it.
A little oblong for me.
Push down with both legs.
You mean push up? You mean out?
That's good. Pull it out. Pull it off the glove.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look!
I'd say that's pretty good.
Man, that's cute!
Yeah. Push it up.
I drink some wine or whiskey, anything out of that really.
Cool. So it'll be much more orange. Orange red. Shade of the top.
Yeah.
But, yeah, okay, I'll put it away. Yeah, put it all the way in there. Okay, cool. I'll take it. Yeah, fire polishes. Rock and roll.
Feels like you had a baby.
Orange baby.
When can I take her home?
Tomorrow.
Oh, really? That was like a week or something.
Well, for thick stuff, but like that's like an overnight
Yeah.
down. All right. Well, how'd you like it? How
It was
first time
good.
blowing glass? Right on.
It was stressful.
Yeah.
It was hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Anxiety.
And the dexterity, it's like
You're
it's
gonna
like,
get arthritis.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's bad.
You need a finger
I open the
transplant.
fridge. It's like
Oh no.
sometimes.
Yeah,
But
but
if
it
I
was-
do yoga, like do little starfish hands,
Yeah. Jazz hands.
jazz hands,
Starfish jazz.
Kinda
Yeah, I thought
Point.
I think it's like as hard as I thought it would be, which is hard.
Right.
It wasn't that hot, although it was only an hour. It was a lot of fun, so thanks so much.
Oh yeah,
That was
I'm
great.
glad you could come banter with us, and you know, I like to share the experience because you don't get it everywhere.
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe, and come back for the next episode of
Blow It Out of Proportion!